Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view all your voice control customized commands on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. Then go down and tap on Voice Control. In here, tap on Customize Commands. And go down the list here, it will show you all the different commands that you could use. So for example, basic navigation, you can say things like open app switcher, show app switcher, or open control center. So here you can see some of the things that you could say. And then if you go down, there's a bunch of different commands that you could use. So you can say like search web for, so let's test it out. Open app switcher. So you can see it's open up the app switcher. Search for an iPhone 12 price. And then you can see on the web here, you can tap on it to open up the link. So if we go back here, you got overlays. You can turn on, or you can take a look at like hide numbers or show numbers. So these are all the overlays that you could turn on or off. You got basic gestures, such as saying scroll down or scroll up, or swipe down, zoom in or out. You can decrement or increment a number. You can ask your device to do a single tap, double tap, or long press, and so on. You can go all the way down and see what you can do. You got advanced gestures. Then you got dictations, text navigations, and text selection. So if you go through this, you can learn how to use your voice control to control your iPhone 12. So for device, you can ask it to turn the volume up or down. Turn volume up. You can see the volume increases every time I say turn volume up. Turn volume down. Oh, you can say lock screen. Lock screen. And that's it. So that's how you can view all the voice control commands, and you can learn how to use it from there. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.